Jain class 6, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 6, listen just thoughtfully because today's we have to just go in the computer subject solving the question answer of your chapter 6. Okay, so for that firstly I will just open the page number 82. On the page number 82 where the question mentioned, okay, where the all the questions mentioned and on that answer you have to find. ठीक है, सभी लोग पेज नंबर 82 को खोलेंगे जहां क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं and for on that page we just to find what is the answer of that questions. Okay, everyone just know in this chapter we will discuss about the MS Publisher and I think we have to fully cover this chapter and after that we just going to solve the answer of the questions. Okay, so listen the question of what the second question. Okay, just second question. Okay, the second question are asked what is difference between Microsoft Word and Microsoft Publisher. So I think all of you know Microsoft Word is a word processor application. Microsoft Word is a word processor application and Microsoft Publisher is a publication application where you just make the vouchers, greeting cards, etc. Okay, so it is the common difference between of them because Word is a word processing tool and Publisher is used to make the publications. Okay, I think all of you just turn the page number 70. On the 70 just see them what is given here. Microsoft Publisher is an entry-level desktop publishing application software. Okay, Word is a word processing application and it is a desktop publishing application software. So now just write here. The difference between MS Word and MS Publisher is first MS Word is a word processing application. And second, MS Publisher is a desktop publishing application. Desktop publishing applications. Okay, so it is the common difference of them. Word is a word processing application and MS Publisher is a desktop publishing application. Word we have to use to just type the letter and desktop publishing application we have to just make the cards, vouchers, etc. Okay, now you just see there the next. The next question in your exercise. Okay, listen. The next question is name some parts of Publisher window other than those that are present in Word 2013. जो Word 2013 में ना, ठीक है, other than those that are present in Word 2013. Okay, तो कुछ MS Publisher के वे पार्ट्स नोट करने हैं जो कि Word 2013 से अलग हो. For that you just open the page number. I want to show you. Just open the page number 72 on there. Answer third. Okay. Then the third is name of MS publisher parts those other than MS Word 2013. Okay, first is navigation, yes, margin guides and scratch area. Margin guides, and second is scratch area. I think these are the two options. Those are not present in Word 2013. Okay, Word 2013, there are some elements, those are not present. Okay, scratch area and margin guides. Okay. Next, the next answer number 4. What the question asks, you have to just open the page, question page. Here is asking, explain what you can do when the text box has too much text. What you can do when the text box has too much text. अगर text box में बहुत ज़्यादा text हो, then आप उसे क्या कर सकते हैं? What you can do? So I think everyone just know that we have to create the drop cap when the too much text in a text box. I think it is the correct option. One more, listen. When you have a large amount of text and it does not fit on one text box, you can use the linking features to connect text boxes. Oh, here. Answer is this. When a large amount of text in a text box, then we have to use linking features to connect text boxes. Linking features to connect text boxes. Okay, so the correct answer is linking features. Okay, the correct answer is linking features. Good. Now the next, what are ligatures and swaps? Ligature and swaps. So I think you know on that time when I explain what is the ligature. So ligature are used to group characters together in order to make more than readable, and swaps is a style that is applied above or below the letters. Okay, wait, listen. Okay, ligature are used to group character together in order to make. Ligature are used to group together group characters. यहाँ characters लिख लेंगे. Group characters together in order to make more than readable. And swash is a style. That is applied above or below of letters. That is applied above or below of letters. Okay, for more attractive. Okay, so it is the answer of that question. And one more thing, the last questions, I think. What do you mean by typography? Write the commands to apply drop care. Okay, typography बताना है. Okay, so everyone just open the page number 77. On there the typography is given. Answer number 6. Typography it is applied. It is the specialized forms applied on text. It refers to the specialized fonts applied to the text. Applied to text. And the question, the next. Write the commands to apply drop care. Okay. To apply drop care. Okay. Click on the format tab and text box. Click on format tab under text box 2. Okay, first step. Second step is click on the drop tab. Click on the drop tab. Okay. So your question answer is finished. Now you just complete this, and after that the thing those I given, those I just complete. I think fill in the blanks, true and falses, that you just mention in the book. But up to here you have to complete and then submit your notebook. Submit your notebook for checking up to this chapter. Okay? Thank you.